Alright, man, let's go. Since you the dog, man, I'm gonna keep you right here, bro.
Bro.
I'm gonna keep you right where you are, man.
Man, the meeting is good, bro.
Man, you always got a meeting you going to, man. What you got?
Come on, man. Y'all know I'm a businessman, right?
Yeah. Whatever, man. Whoever got the 6, let's go, bro.
Bro, I think one of you.
Yeah, man, what type of business, bro?
Bro, I do a lot of shit, so.
Alright, man. Businessman, let's go, businessman.
Y'all know. Bro, I do a lot, man. Come on.
Yeah. Okay.
Yo, what's going on, man? Why you so sad today?
Man, I'm telling you, man, I miss my kid, bro. Y'all just don't know, man.
Kids?
I've been thinking about my kid all day, man.
What kids?
Are you for it, man? And why this clown keep on laughing, man? I told you I have a daughter, man. Y'all ain't know I have a daughter, bro.
You got a daughter?
Yeah, man, I have a daughter.
Oh, I got you.
What happened?
Today's 15.
What you mean today is 50?
Wake up. Tax. Come on. I know what you're talking about, bro. Come on, man. The tax season is in the corner, bro.
So, y'all gonna tell me I miss my kid because of tax season, really, bro?
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
When the last time you see your daughter?
Bro, I was in the hospital, bro.
Man, you crazy.
Listen.
Man, I can't take you out to joke serious, but
come on, man. Where you going, bro?
My brother, and that's the way you're acting. Come on, man.
Take daddy.
Where you going, man?
Yo,
Yo, JB, come back, man.
Take
Why you
daddy.
get mad, bro?
Man, you're tripping, bro.
Alright, man. This motherfucker, man, just get mad for no reason.
Oh, man.
How come you got a kid and you don't even take care of her, man?